So we're at this lawn today to do a complete renew. The lawn has been worn down over the last few years and the quality of it was pretty rough, lots of weeds and moss. So we're starting again. We're going to take out what's here and completely renew it. So we're here today to renew this lawn. A couple of weeks ago we came in and put a total herbicide down which killed everything off, and now we're going to remove all that surface thatch, dead grass and moss, get it back to the bare soil and start again. Here you can see what we've got to remove. The top surface of this lawn is all the moss and the dead grass, and we're getting it back to the soil so we can start afresh. So we're going to scarify. We're going to aerate the lawn, prepare it for seeding. Put some seed down, along with a wetting agent, a light gentle feed, and then we're going to dress the entire lawn. So just sweeping up at the end now, all the lawn is prepared and all we need to do now is tidy up and get the sprinkler on the lawn. And then in about 4 to 5 weeks we'll come back and have a look at this lawn and see what condition it is in. I'm expecting probably some kind of germination in the next week or so, but the lawn is not going to be filled out for a good 4 to 5 weeks. So when we last saw this lawn, we'd completed our renew, and that was the aerate, scarify, overseed, wetting agent and a pre-seed fertiliser. Now we're here 4 weeks on, and what a difference. One of the reasons that we've had such a dramatic impact on this lawn is that our customer has followed our advice to the letter. Plenty of water. And now I'm finding the results are so good that we've got such a long lawn, we could probably have come here a week earlier to give it its first cut, which is what I'm about to do now. So that's the first cut done, and I'm really pleased with the lawn. It's about 95% there. Now we just need our customer to cut regularly and take down a little bit more of the growth down to height, and regular cutting, regular watering, and this lawn's going to be really special.